Happy morning, everyone, and welcome to the 30th day of our magic book session.
Morning. Happy morning, Vandana.
Happy morning, Uma.
Happy morning.
Happy morning, Mushita ji. So, yes, before we begin today's session, we start reading today's chapter. Who all want to share whatever you did yesterday or any other sharing from any other day? What kind of magics are appearing in your life? Would you like to share? Some of us were not there. Anything happened? Any magics appeared in your lives in the area of health, money, relationship, or any other thing which happened during the day? Would you like to share? Because we'll keep only 5 minutes for sharing and we'll begin today's chapter being a longer chapter. So, yeah, who wants to share? You can unmute yourselves and start sharing. And who also wants to nominate for reading today? We'll have 2-3 readers today. So please nominate yourself for the reading before we begin. Nobody wants to share anything? Or you're just waiting who's going to be the first person to share? We all did this in when we were students in school. Who is going to be the first one? Who wants to read today's chapter? What is happening? Everyone is so silent. Okay, today I am going to, after the session today, I am going to send the link of the session which is going to begin on the 22nd of Feb, which is a Monday. So I'll have to refresh the link because it's a recurring thing. So I'll have to refresh it and send it. The code, the passcode will be the same. Only thing is I'll just refresh it and send it again. Wants to read? You all are there. We'll start in another 3 minutes. Yeah.
I'll start.
So we'll start in another 3 minutes. So how was your journey of 29 days? How was it? I just can't believe we have completed all 30. Today is the 30th day.
Today is the 30th day. Okay.
We started with day 0 and then we had those 28 practices. So the last day and the first day and 28. So that makes
Day 30th day. Okay.
Yeah.
But it's a long chapter, no?
It is a long chapter because there are actually there are 2-3 topics which we'll be covering. Yeah, we'll cover it. Don't worry. Like how we covered on the first is day 0, like that we'll cover. So that's why I want to start sharp at 6. Uma, you have any sharings?
No. No, not always.
So how was the assignment yesterday? Did you do the assignment? Did you
Yes.
understand?
Yes. You know, but why very often I just can't remember anything. You know, even while say using holding the magic rock, I forget my day's events and I have to think very hard. Now I can't think about yesterday also. So
Yeah, so you have to just sit with yourself, na? Because we have stopped doing that, right? We all only think of the negatives.
mm,
If somebody tells you just think what happened yesterday, which was not good, you remember it immediately.
mm,
Yes, no? Yeah, so that is how we have tuned ourselves. We have, you know, cultivated that habit of it's become a habit. So now that's what we have been trying to erase from our consciousness, from our habits. That's what we were trying to do through the assignments all these days. That's what we were trying to do now.
yes.
So just focus on whatever good things happened during the day. And even yesterday's assignment uh, is all about that. And we have to carry the book is today, the book is going to tell us that what we will be carrying with us through our lives now, through all our lives. It's not that it's a journey of only 30 days, it's a journey of life now. Yeah. So, yes, nobody wants to share. It's fine. We can start our session. We'll just devote few minutes for the picture today, not taking much time. So, yes, what can we see in the picture? The magical future.
So there's the telescope
Periscope.
looking
Right.
out into the universe or the solar system, seeing all the stars. So you're looking out and seeing all the stars in magic in your life, the starry magic.
Starry magic. Lovely. That nice word you've given. Starry magic. Yeah, when we see the stars, we feel really, magical. Na? That how is it possible? And the more and more you focus, the more and more more stars we are able to see. Isn't it like that? That the more and more you gaze at the sky, and it's a concentrated gaze, then more stars will magically appear in front of your eyes. The tiny ones, the big shiny ones, everything will be visible like that. Similarly, our future is like that. Now our future is, we are, we have created the foundation now, the foundation of our future, our magical future. And it's not that the work is done, it's just that the foundation is created. Now we have to build many floors on top of it, the magical floors. So with all what we have, uh, we have taken with us, we have collected the gems during all these 29 days, and today also. Now we are going to just go more and more deeper into whatever we have explored. It's just the superficial level we have. We have just taken what was there on the topmost part, upper layer. Now we are going to go deep. अभी तो खाली हमने सतह को टटोला है, अभी हमको और अंदर अंदर जाना है, और हमने अभी सिर्फ एक नींव बनाई है, एक फाउंडेशन बनाया है, और उसके ऊपर तो अभी बहुत कुछ बिल्ड करना है. So that then our future will become magical. Okay, so it's a beautiful telescope. And what is a telescope? Through which we see distant objects. And those distant objects do not appear distant, but they become near. It feels that they are very close to us. Even though through our physical eyes they appear far, but if you look through your mental eyes, you will be able to see them everywhere. You will see as if they're just in front of you. They're just few meters ahead of you. That is how, if it's a powerful telescope, that is how you can see. So our future is really, really magical because we know that the magic is all around us. It's inside us, it's before us, it's behind us, it's below us. It's everywhere. And how is it everywhere? We have explored it, na? We have got glimpses of it on and off. And today's chapter is the completion. Today is the completion chapter, the completion day. And the chapter is going to tell us that now, you are the driver of your own car. You have to drive yourself, you have to motivate yourself. The book is always there with you, the assignments are always there with you, provided you do them, you follow them. Yes? So, for those of us who have done all the assignments, they'll understand what I'm trying to tell you. And how to do the assignments, how to go further, now we will read through the chapter. So, yes, Uma, you can start reading.
You are the builder of your life, and gratitude is your magical tool to build the most incredible life. You have now laid a foundation through these magical practices, and with the tool of gratitude, you are adding more floors to the building of your life. Your life will climb higher and higher until you touch the stars. There is no end to the heights you can reach with gratitude, and there is no end to the magic you can experience. Like the stars in the universe is infinite.
Yes, so till now, whatever we have experienced, maybe it's just very light magics that have appeared in our lives. Now, if we do the practice, if we continue the practice, we've just built the foundation. 28 days we have dug the ground and we have created the foundation in our life. And now the foundation has become so strong that now it's time to add floors to the building of your life. And it's a promise of the book that your life will climb higher and higher. The sky is the limit. It's, you can touch the stars. There is no end to the heights you can reach with gratitude. There is no end to the magic you can experience, like the stars in the universe. Finite. Yeah, so you can fly high and high and high. You can go as high as you can. जैसे ब्रह्मांड में असीमित, it's ब्रह्मांड असीमित है ना, जैसे उसका कोई अंत नहीं है. Yes, it's called Anant, right? Infinite is in Hindi means Anant. वैसे ही this magic, this magic of gratitude, there is no end to it. There is no end to it. Yes, please continue.
To speak gratitude is courteous and pleasant. To enact gratitude is generous and noble. But to live gratitude is to touch heaven. By Jones A. Gartner, 1912 to 1996. Professor, theologian, and poet.
So remember now that in the beginning, the book told us that deliberately do. First, we have to deliberately say. So we started doing that. We started speaking thank you. And we've heard now many people who say thank you whenever we go out. And if people are just telling thank you, we feel that that person is very courteous and polite and pleasant. Now. It feels very pleasant to our eyes when somebody tells us thank you. So that's what we started our journey with. But then we started acting. Enacting is doing it. Maybe we were not feeling it at that time, but we were doing it. So doing was generous and noble. And now we have to live gratitude. So we have already started doing it by feeling it and saying, feeling it and saying, and feeling it more and then saying, which meant that we were living gratitude every moment of our lives. Every action, every experience is done with complete gratitude, with complete thankfulness. पूरे समय हम अगर शुक्राना करते रहेंगे, पूरे समय अगर हम ग्रैटिट्यूड करते रहेंगे, तो वी आर एक्चुअली टचिंग हेवन. The true heaven is the place on earth. It's a beautiful song. If you haven't heard, please listen to this song. I'm just remembering the lines of that song. True heaven is the place on earth. And when we live gratitude, then we can actually feel that it is, we have touched heaven. Yes, please continue.
The ideal way to move forward from here is to maintain the foundation of gratitude you built and gradually keep building on it through increasing your depth of feeling. The more you practice gratitude, the deeper you'll be able to feel it. And the more deeply you feel it, the less time you will need to give to it as a guide.
Yeah, so we all have done some point of our life. We have done, we have practiced meditation, going inwards, looking inwards, feeling it, looking at our own inner world. We all have tried doing that. So what happens when we try, when we sit for to meditate? Initially, the mind runs everywhere. The mind is not focused, it's not concentrated. And then the more and more we sit, more and more longer we sit, the more and more number of days we keep on doing it, we reach into the depth of our feelings, and the outside environment just disappears. We are moving in our inner world. हम अपने अंतर आकाश में चले जाते हैं. So like that, the more similarly, the more you practice gratitude, the deeper you will be able to feel it, and more deeply you feel it. So till now we are just on the uppermost layer. Now we have to take a dive in. We have to actually plunge and go deeper. एकदम अंदर जाना है. And जितनी जितने हम अंदर जाएंगे, उतने उतने हमारे लाइफ के जो gems है वो हमारे सामने आते जाएंगे, and the life will become magical. So now we are getting the book is giving us all the options. पूरे जो जो हम कर सकते हैं, किस किस तरीके से हम अब कर सकते हैं ये मैजिक प्रैक्टिस को, वो अब बता रहा है. Yes, please continue.
3 days a week of Remember the Magic or combining it with 2 other magical practices of your choosing should maintain your current foundation of gratitude and keep building the magic in your life so that your life continues to get better and better. For example, you might choose to remember the magic on one day, magical relationships on the second, and magic money on the third. 4 days a week, remember the magic, or incorporating it with 3 other magical practices of your choosing will maintain your gratitude and accelerate the magic. 5 days a week, remember the magic, or incorporating it with 4 other magical practices of your choosing will dramatically increase your happiness and the magic in every area and circumstance of your life. 6 or 7 days a week of Remember the Magic or incorporating it with any other magical practices of your choosing, and you will become the true alchemist who can turn everything into gold.
So now we have all the options in front of us, whether we want to do 3 days a week of Remember the Magic. So, the book is now telling us to do grouping and batching, which area of your life you want to find more magics, that area you will choose. But remember, the magic will always be there. You're combining it with the other magical practices. So the first, if you do 3 days a week, then you will maintain your current foundation of gratitude. The choice is yours, whether you want to do this, or 4 days a week where Remember the Magic is there, and then incorporating with 3 other magical practices of your choosing, that will not only maintain your gratitude, but it will accelerate the magic. 5 days a week of Remember the Magic and incorporating it with 4 other magical practices of your choosing, you will increase your happiness and the magic in every area and circumstance of your life. So we all have experienced this. People who are doing every day the assignments, they have experiencing different magics appearing in their lives. People who are doing few days, they're skipping few assignments, you are experiencing accordingly. And if you do 6 or 7 days of a week of Remember the Magic, which is suggestible, which I would suggest, and it's my request to all of you to do 6 or 7 days a week only. The best will be 7 days a week, because it's not that, do we eat every day, do we sleep every day, do we do so many things we do every day na? Without that we cannot just sustain. So it this practice, the practice of gratitude, is also like that. Make it a part of your daily routine. If you haven't been able to do till now, still there is time. Still there is time. Make it a daily habit, make it a daily practice. As we have to breathe in the air, nobody tells us to do, but it happens naturally, no? I mean, it is there. We know it will happen, and it's happening. So like that, if you can just pick up this practice, give only 15 to 20 minutes of your daily time, and make it a habit. Make it a habit of just sitting and writing, as we have discussed, the first 45 minutes before we go to before we wake up in the morning, and the last 45 minutes before we go to sleep in the night. Make that a daily ritual. How many of us have been able to do this through all our 29 days? Yes, no? How many of us have been able to practice? Write it on the chat. Yes, no? We have done every assignment. Hello, no one? No one? Huh? Wow. So none of you have done all the assignments? Okay. So nice. You are, you are at least honest to say that. Okay. So now it's never too late. You can still start, and whatever. So we are going to do. That's the reason, we say that keep on repeating the sessions till the time you feel that yes, now you can be left alone and you can do it on your own. Yeah, so you can again begin the sessions on the 22nd, from the 22nd, and you can begin the journey again. But before that, it doesn't mean that these 4 5 days you don't do anything. Okay, so just be in the practice of feeling and writing and experiencing gratitude every single moment of your life. Yes, please continue.
Magic practice recommendations. To keep the magic containing in the important areas of your life, like your happiness, health, relationships, career, money, and the material things you own, you could do the specific practice for each area once a week. However, if you want to increase the magic in any area of your life, you should give more time through an increased practice of gratitude for that area several days a week. If you're unwell, you will want to do the magical practice for your health every day, if not multiple times a day. The following recommendation will easily guide you toward the magical practices that will have the strongest and fastest effect in that area. Follow the recommendation in the relevant area for the 3 weeks minimum, doing each recommended practice once a week.
So now we have another option which says that if you to keep the magic in the important areas of your life. So supposing you are having a breakdown in the area of your health or relationship, you feel that the relationship with the people around you is not that smooth, and you want to smoothen it. So just pick up the relationship. The book has done batching according to the relationship. There are 6 chapters which you will be doing, and every day doing concentrated practice on that chapter. We'll read further. Then if it's supposing it's just your career and you want to enhance your career, and you want आपको career में कुछ आगे करना है, कुछ और improvement लाना है, तो उसके हिसाब से you will choose those chapters. Money में if you want any improvements, and we all will say money to everyone wants, but yes, if you want, you have to do the concentrated practice or if there's material things you own, any other thing. So we have done now, we've covered, or when we wrote our dream list, we covered all these areas now. So those same areas, now what we know is that whatever chapters we have done, now the book is creating some groups. It has created some groups for us, which I'll be just going through. So relationships, if it is relationships, then you can follow these chapters. Every day you can follow these chapters. Magical relationships, magic dust everyone, magically heal your relationships, the magic wand, the magic mirror, and remember the magic. Remember the magic is always there. Okay, so what was remember the magic? Can anybody unmute yourselves and tell me?
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask. Remember the magic.
That was yesterday's assignment, na?
Okay.
What
Okay.
was it?
Remember the magic of yesterday. Yesterday's assignment was remember the magic yesterday.
Yeah, so what was it? Just explain again, Uma, for all of us.
So we had to recall yesterday's magic in detail, and or on one point you could write. You had to write about it.
Yeah, so that was not necessary in points. You could write
Hmm.
a para, you could write,
Yes,
whatever good things happened yesterday. You had to do a recall of the previous day.
a
So
day before
this,
yesterday.
so this is always there, and then it's supported by whichever area you want to work. It is relationship. So you have to choose these chapters. In the area of health, we have done magical health, magic dust everyone, magic and miracles in health, the magical air that you breathe in the magic wand, and of course, remember the magic. Then in the area of money is magic money, money magnet, the magic check. How many of us have uh, started experiencing magics in the area of money?
Yes.
Yes. Who else?
Yes.
Lovely. Who else?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, who was this?
Rushita.
Okay, lovely. So yeah, so if you want any improvements in the area of money, you can just pick up these chapters and do concentrated practice of every chapter, as in the assignments which were given. You could read the chapter again and then, just see, you remember whatever we had discussed. And you can, so when you read the chapter, you will have your own understanding also, na? Something else will come up other than what we have discussed. So then you can just make a note of that. Oh, wow, this is come. Now I have to do this. I never noticed this earlier. All these things will start coming up. But you have, if you can, it's not you have to, but if you can, do a concentrated practice. And, now of all the things that we have been doing through the day, or we have to do through the day, or we do through the day, take a time slot, just reserve a time slot for this practice of the magic, for gratitude, whatever. And of course through the day we will be doing, so to make it, so to we have built the foundation. Now to build floors on it, it all is in our hands. How many floors we want to build so that we can reach and touch the sky. So magic check, magic wand, magic mirror, and remember the magic. Now, if you want to touch the bring improvements in the area of your career, then works like magic, magic dust everyone, magic wand, magic mirror, and remember the magic. And if it's your desires, then magic dust everyone. How many of us remember actually to, whether or not, doing anything during the day, how many of us are remembering to sprinkle magic dust on people who are, sad or lonely or depressed, or even some in our own homes, or anywhere, on our food, on our water? How many of us are remembering to do this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, remember.
Lovely, lovely. So yeah, so then magic dust can be, what I have felt is that magic dust can be done any point, any time of the day, for anything, for on everything, including us also. You can sprinkle magic dust on you also when you are doing the magic mirror exercise. And the magic mirror exercise creates real magics in our life. If we keep on doing that 2, 3 times in a day, every time we see ourselves in front of the mirror, you can make that person in the mirror your true friend. You can just keep on talking to that person. And the beautiful part is that anything and everything you can talk to that person in the mirror. Yes, then before your very eyes, the magic wand, the magic mirror, remember the magic. Now you can start reading from your Uma, your magic rock.
Okay, I just want to ask you, in your desires, it's written, if you're repeating this practice, you jump to step 3. Which is step 3 here? The magic wand.
Yeah, if you haven't done the practice of make all your wishes come true before, make sure that you complete all the steps at least once. So yeah, so the chapter make all your wishes come true.
Yeah.
If you go to the chapter
Hmm.
and see the assignment,
Correct.
so this book says that could be possible that you haven't done the assignment. For some of us who haven't done the assignment, make sure you complete all the steps at least once. Matlab, all the steps which are written in the assignment. And if you're repeating this practice, you can jump to step 3. Step 3 of the assignment,
Okay.
of that chapter. Okay?
And we do all these like one every day or 2 of them or combine them like that, no?
Yeah. So again, what we read before we read this, that it depends on how much gratitude, how much shifts you want in your life.
Correct.
So all those combinations was given to you, all the options, that whether you practice it 3 times a week, 4 times a week, with the other practices, combined with the practices, or you just choose one thing at a time. So if you've chosen the area of your desires, then you'll do these chapters. So first day you will do magic dust, or you can just do it with everything. The second day you can make all your wishes come true. So that day it will be concentrated practice of only this. So there's 7 days in a week now. So if you do these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mostly there are 5 to 6 practices in every group. Okay. So if you do the 6 and then the 7th day, you can do anything, whatever comes. But it's not that the 7th day you will take a break. It's not that. You could do it, but it's all depends upon you how much you want to build this practice of gratitude. It's for each one of us how much we want to go deeper into this practice of gratitude. See, you know what, we can take this book as any other book which we read, any other self-help book which we read, and we all have read many books like that. But if we, even 2 or 3 days only, even 2 or 3 days, if you leave the practice now, the magic just disappears. It just disappears. Like how the word magic is, how it appears into our lives because of the concentrated practice, it will just disappear like this, like a puff of a smoke. And you'll not even realize how it disappeared. So it's, we say now that, if you want to achieve something, you really have to work hard. Yeah. And here it's just not working hard, is just what? Just saying, expressing and feeling gratitude for everything and anything. We have done na, the air you breathe, nothing is coming, then you can just be grateful for the air you breathe, the water you drink, the food you eat. These basic things, if we start doing it, and the magic dust on everything, yeah. So then actually it will be, we will be able to keep it alive in our lives. Yeah. Now you can start reading from your magic rock.
Your magic rock. You can make the magic rock practice a part of your daily life by continuing to keep your magic rock by your bedside and using the time to get into bed as your reminder to be grateful for the best thing that happened that day. You can also carry your magic rock with you in your pocket, and every time you touch it, use it as a reminder to think of something you're grateful for.
You can also do one thing, magic rock, you could make, get a hole made if somebody can make it, and you can attach it to your, you can make it as a keychain so that it's always there with you. The idea is to, every time you touch that rock, every time you feel that rock, even during the day or every time you use your keychain, then, you are actually feeling grateful for whatever is there right in that moment of time. So that's the whole idea of keeping it in your pocket, or every time you touch it, you use it as a reminder. It becomes as a reminder to think of something you're grateful for. Your mind, consciously, you are driven into that space where you are, oh, you know, see, our minds are designed like, how our minds are designed that anything whichever, whenever we something beautiful is coming in our lives, or there is something shifting in our lives, there is a inner resistance, and that's a test. That's the test for us. And the universe, remember, the universe will keep on testing you. The way how you cross, how you pass that test is your biggest test. So remember that. And then that time, if we think the magic doesn't exist, if that time, if we think that, there's a doubt which comes in our minds, then the magic will really disappear. So remember, the foundation is being built. Now it's upon us. How do we grow and make this foundation even more and more stronger? Yeah, your magic dust.
Your magic dust. You can also make magic dust every one practice a part of your daily life. Other than sprinkling magic dust over the people who serve you, there are many more ways to continue using this practice. You can sprinkle magic dust on everyone and everything. If your boss is a bit grumpy, you can secretly sprinkle magic dust over him or her. You can sprinkle magic dust over a family member or loved one if they're in a bad mood, or anyone you come across who needs magic in their life. You can also add magic wherever you go and sprinkle magic dust over babies and children, over your plants or garden, your food and drinks, your computer or your mail before you open them, your wallet, car, your phone before you take or make a phone call, or any other circumstance that you want to improve. The many applications of magic dust are limited only by your imagination.
Yeah, so the magic dust, it's so beautiful. Even, if you are sprinkling water on your plants, you can feel that it's the magic dust which is falling on the plants. If somebody in the family is a bit grumpy and not in a good mood, you can just sprinkle magic dust, and you'll be amazed to see the shift taking place in their mood. And if you, so for anything and everything, as I mentioned earlier, that this magic dust practice can be a practice you can carry on doing. This dust is always available to you. There is no end to it. It's not that, you've been given little only, or उतना ही है और उतना ही dust है आपके पास और उतना ही आप sprinkle कर सकते हैं. There is an unlimited supply of magic dust. The universe is saying, just do it. The universe is telling you to use it as much as you can. Yes, somebody else wants to read the chapter? Anybody else
Yes,
wants to nominate?
Hina.
Yes, Hinaji. Thank
Welcome
you,
back.
Uma. Thank you so much for reading the chapter. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yes.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
The magic never ends. One
So
more
we will
thing.
not spend any time on this picture. We'll just, it just feels that it's a picture of the universe, and all the galaxies and the stars and the everything. Let's read the chapter what it is.
I practice gratitude every day of my life and it's inconceivable to me now that I could have lived days, months, and years without practicing gratitude in some way every day. Gratitude has become a part of my personality. It is in my cells and it's a pattern in my subconscious mind. But if we get caught up in life and forgot to practice gratitude over a period of time, the magic will uh, evaporate. uh, I use the magic in my life as my guide to let me know if I am practicing gratitude enough or if I need to practice more. I watch my life carefully, and if I find that I am not feeling at happy, I increase my practice of gratitude. If a few little problems start appearing in a particular area of my life, immediately I increase the magical practice of gratitude in that area.
Yes, so we'll pause here. Uh, this is a very, very important line. Just make a note of it. If we get caught up in life and forget to practice gratitude over a period of time, the magic will evaporate. सो इम्पोर्टेंट. इवन अगर हम 2-3 दिन भी नहीं करेंगे ना, या एक दिन भी नहीं करेंगे, तो नेक्स्ट डे उसका इंटेंसिटी थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा, एंड देन हाउ इट विल इवेपोरेट, वो डिसअपियर हो जाएगा, पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि कैसे क्या हुआ. सो व्हाट डू वी लुक अराउंड अस, हम अपनी चारों तरफ देखते रहेंगे. एंड अगर इफ समवन इज हैविंग अ ब्रेकडाउन, just go and ask that person that can you give me just 15 minutes, और उसको आप समझाइए कि ऐसा भी है, ऐसा एग्जिस्ट होता है. एंड नाउ यू हैव गॉट अ डुअल टास्क टू डू. आपको दो चीजें करनी है. एक तो कि आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है, अनइंटरप्टेड प्रैक्टिस, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड प्रैक्टिस. क्या चीज की? ग्रेटफुल होने की, शुक्राना देने की. पूरे समय वो ही करना है. और दूसरी चीज क्या करना है? टू स्प्रेड द मैजिक, टू स्प्रेड द मैजिक इन द वर्ल्ड. मतलब अगर ये दुनिया कुछ एकदम अलग ही हो जाएगी अगर सबको, अगर ये पता चल जाएगा कि मैजिक हमारे अंदर ही है, हम खुद मैजिशियन हैं अपने लाइफ के. जस्ट सो टू थिंग्स, यू प्रैक्टिस एंड यू स्प्रेड, एंड कीप ऑन वॉचिंग. भी अपने चारों तरफ की दुनिया को देखते रहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि अगर कुछ हो गया तो बस उसी में फोकस करते रहेंगे, क्योंकि जिसमें हम फोकस करेंगे वो ही और बढ़ेगा. ओके, सो प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
I'm not blinded by false appearance anymore. Instead, I look for the goodness to be grateful for in every circumstances, knowing that it's there. And then, like a puff of smoke, what was unwanted magical disappears.
Yes, so now this is the most important line of this whole book, I think. So I'm not blinded by false appearances anymore. Can anybody tell me क्या बताना चाह रहा है ये किताब की? false appearances मतलब क्या हुआ? What is it? Can anybody just unmute yourselves and say? हीना जी, can you say इसका क्या मतलब समझ आ रहा है आपको? हमारे
Uh,
सामने जो है, वो जो हमको दिख रहा है, वो फॉल्स है. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? और उससे मैं कुछ मेरे को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता जो सामने है. व्हाट डज दैट मीन?
uh,
इसका कुछ हिडन मीनिंग है.
जैसे कि जब तक हम ये मैजिक के बारे में जानते नहीं थे, तब तक हमको ये हवा है, पानी है, वो सब हमारे सामने ही था. फिर उसका जो इम्पोर्टेंस है कि वो है, वो हमको पता नहीं था. दैट
हाँ, तो फॉल्स अपीयरेंस क्या हुआ? एंड आई एम नॉट ब्लाइंडेड बाय फॉल्स अपीयरेंसेस एनीमोर. मतलब जो दिख रहा है उसके आगे भी है कुछ, वो क्या है? एंड जो दिख रहा है वो नहीं है.
वो मृगजल बोलते हैं, जैसे कि सब कुछ हमको दिखाई तो देता है, पर वो हकीकत में वो नहीं है। जैसे हम रास्ते पे जा रहे हैं तो हमको वो पानी जैसा कुछ दिखते है, आगे चले जाते हैं तो वहां पे कुछ भी नहीं होता है, उसको हम मान लेते हैं कि ये वो है।
हाँ, यस यस, आगे आगे बोलिए।
हम्म,
एनीबडी एल्स, किसी को कुछ आ रहा है दिमाग में? फॉल्स अपीयरेंसेस, इट्स अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल लाइन.
Yeah, it's something like unwanted. You see something which you don't like or unwanted, but so you don't be blinded by that. You have to look into that and see the goodness of that.
Yeah.
So because
And
then
what happens if you see the goodness of
if
that?
you
Then
see
what
that goodness, then the other feeling, negative feeling, or what you didn't like about that uh, area, your relationship or your money, whatever was not pleasant, will disappear.
Okay. So how will it disappear?
Because you're looking at the goodness of it,
Yeah. And then what happens?
So then you forget about the not such good area of that appearance, of that
So,
event or whatever,
yeah. So, could it be that the universe is testing us? The universe is testing us by putting us into situations which is actually not the situation, but it's put up by the universe in front of us. The actuality of the situation जो actual में जो है वो कुछ और ही है. What is that? कि अगर whatever is there in front of us, say supposing, let's take a concrete example from our lives, like supposing there is somebody in our life who's creating, every moment that person is creating problems, and the person is a very close member of your family. Okay. And you are not understanding what is happening in that person's mind. That appearance of the person is there in front of you. वो आदमी, वो इंसान, वो person is bringing lots and lots of obstacles in your life, problems in your life. But at that moment, what will a normal mind do? We will say, okay, so now since we know, we are grateful, so we'll say, okay, I'm really grateful to this person. For what? For what will you say? Even, if the person is just making your life the most difficult, it's giving you so many obstacles and problems, what will you do in such a situation? Yes, anybody? First आप क्या करोगे? What will be your first thought and feeling?
वो उसका आउटलुक है.
हाँ,
Yeah,
It's not my lookout.
it's not my lookout. Are you bringing some this anybody is getting, remembering somebody who was like that in your life?
यस यस।
हाँ, तो आप क्या?
कल शाम को ही इस बारे में मैंने सोचा कि मैं क्योंकि मैं अभी बोलूँगी तो शायद मुझे लगता है कि मैं कंप्लेन करूँगी, पर
हाँ,
है कोई ऐसा पर्सन जो मैं जो भी करती हूँ तो उसमें गलत ही दिखता है। सबको सही दिखता है पर उनको गलत ही दिखता है। तो
तो
कल
आपका
शाम को ही
फर्स्ट थॉट क्या होता है? व्हाट इज योर
मैं
फर्स्ट?
उसको अब नजर पहले मैं उसको मेरे माइंड में लेके पूरा दिन डिस्टर्ब रहती थी। तो मैं डिस्टर्ब रहती थी तो मेरे फैमिली के मेंबर्स भी डिस्टर्ब रहते थे। फिर मैंने अब कल नज़रअंदाज करना सीख लिया है कि चलो भाई बोल दिया सो बोल दिया, आगे का क्या ये उनकी फितरत में है।
हाँ,
तो पहले अभी तो इतने तक मैं पहुंची हूँ, आगे उसको ग्रेटिट्यूड करना भी एक्शन में ला दूंगी क्योंकि इससे मुझे ही बेनिफिट होगा।
एग्जैक्टली. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट जैसे ही हम वो हमारे सामने हर सिचुएशन कोई लेसन लेके आती है, वी ऑल हैव अ लाइफ लेसन्स टू लर्न. तो जैसे ही हम उस सिचुएशन को, उस पर्सन को हम पूरे दिल से एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं, थिंकिंग कि उनकी भी कुछ होगी जिसके कारण वो कर रहे हैं ऐसा. यू नो, यू हैव टू पुट योरसेल्फ इन दैट पर्सन शूज. एंड वंस अगर वो वैसा कर लिया एंड यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट पर्सन, टू दैट पर्सन, कि वो आपकी लाइफ में आपको कुछ सिखाने आए हैं. सो इट्स नॉट, you know what the author is trying to tell us is, I'm not blinded by false appearances. मतलब जो भी सामने दिख रहा है वो वैसा नहीं है जैसा दिख रहा है. You know, and the moment you learn the lesson, जैसे ही हम वो lesson learn करते हैं, being grateful and sprinkling magic dust and you know just thinking कि मेरी ही life में कुछ सिखाने के लिए आया है ये person, then we are actually grateful. And the moment जैसे ही हम वो सोच लेते हैं, वो lesson हमारे life में learn हो जाता है, and then it doesn't come in our life anymore. वो आएगा ही नहीं, वो person change हो जाएगा, वो situation change हो जाएगा. So it says ना, like a puff of a smoke, what was unwanted magically disappears. तो हम खाली, you know, there, our logical mind says that हाँ मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, पर अगर आप ये बोल रहे हो मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, मतलब फर्क पड़ रहा है. just look into it and अपने आप को टटोलना है उस समय कि क्या रियली में, am I really being grateful or I'm just deliberately saying it. That's the first step. Very good. Then I'm really accepting this person and situation, this life situation. And if that is happening, तो अगर कल भी इसके बारे में सोचूं या 2 घंटे भी के बाद भी इसके बारे में सोचूं और मेरी हार्ट बीट तेज नहीं होगी, मुझे कुछ कुछ थॉट्स अलग नहीं आएंगे, या some bad feelings about that person will not come, or maybe मैं ऐसा सोचूं कि मैं भी देखती हूँ, nothing like that will come. That means that आपने उस टेस्ट को पास कर लिया है. This is a reality check for all of us. Okay? And जब वो person next time हमारे सामने आएगा, तो we will greet that person the same way as we would greet the other people without remembering anything. That is sign that हमने actual में वो एक false appearance था और उससे हमें अब कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. This is what this line is trying to tell us. Yes, everybody has understood this. You can apply it in your own lives. आप अपनी life में apply कर सकते हैं. Okay?
ये अभी हुआ कि कल शाम को मैंने इसी बात पे सोचा था, तो और आपने इसका ही एग्जाम्पल आज ले लिया आप.
That's so
तो
nice.
तो
ना?
मुझे उसका आंसर मिल गया, तो अभी मेरे साथ ये मैजिक हो गया. थैंक यू सो मच.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Meena ji. Yeah, please can continue reading.
इसके रिलेटेड मुझे क्वेश्चन है, पर मैंने लिख लिया है. आफ्टर सेशन में आपसे चैप्टर खत्म हो जाए तो मैं पूछूंगी.
Yes.
Thank you. I started out giving thanks for small things, and the more thankful I became, the money my the more my bounty increased. That's because what you focus on expands, and when you focus on the goodness in your life, you create more of it. Opportunities, relationships, even more flowed my way when I learned.
Hina ji, 1 minute. Opportunities, relationships, even money flowed.
Even money flowed my way when I learned to be grateful no matter what happened in my life. Oprah Winfrey, born 1954, media personality and business woman.
Yeah, so I started out giving thanks for small things. हमने किया था ना, छोटी छोटी बातों में, but these are the words of Oprah Winfrey, and so what she started doing was giving thanks for small things, and जितना वो करती गई ऐसा, उतना उनकी लाइफ में abundance आता गया. Abundance in anything. कैसे? बिकॉज हम जिसमें फोकस करते हैं वो ही बढ़ता है, वो ही एक्सपैंड होता है. अगर हम इफ वी शिफ्ट आवर फोकस, अगर हमारे लाइफ में ओके, सो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. अ चाइल्ड इज सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस एंड उसको हम बहुत प्यार करते हैं, हमारे बच्चे को हम बहुत प्यार करते हैं एंड उसके ऊपर ही हम फोकस दे रहे हैं कि उसके लिए मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ और क्या प्यार दे सकती हूँ, उसके लिए क्या खाना बना सकती हूँ, क्या कपड़े ला सकती हूँ, क्या खिलौने ला सकती हूँ, एंड द चाइल्ड इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन यू एट दैट टाइम. तो आप जितना जितना उस पर फोकस करोगे उतना उतना आपका प्यार उसकी तरफ और बढ़ता जाएगा और आपको लगेगा और क्या कर सकती हूँ, और क्या कर सकती हूँ. एंड व्हेन यू फोकस ऑन द गुडनेस इन योर लाइफ, जैसे जैसे आप एक बच्चे को इतना प्यार देते हो, वैसे ही अगर आप अपनी लाइफ में चारों तरफ, मतलब अपने लाइफ के चारों तरफ जब आप देखोगे कि क्या अच्छा हो रहा है, तो आपकी लाइफ में और अच्छा, और आप वही अच्छा को और अट्रैक्ट करते रहोगे अपनी लाइफ में. मोर एंड मोर ऑफ दैट यू विल अट्रैक्ट इन योर लाइफ. जितना आप जिस पे फोकस करोगे, जिस पे आपका कंसंट्रेशन होगा, जिस पे आपका ध्यान होगा, वो ही और आपकी लाइफ में आता जाएगा. इट कुड बी अपॉर्चुनिटीज, इट कुड बी रिलेशनशिप्स, इट कुड बी मनी. जितना मतलब आप उसका अफेक्ट आपकी लाइफ की दूसरी एरियाज में भी जाएगा. 101% जाएगा. क्या क्या एरियाज में? अपॉर्चुनिटीज में आपको बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेगी और दूसरे रिलेशनशिप्स भी अच्छे हो जाएंगे. एंड मनी, यू विल बिकम अ मनी मैग्नेट. दैट्स व्हाट शी इज राइटिंग, दैट when I did this, when I became thankful for small things. So start with small things. Somebody got you a glass of water, you feel grateful for that person. Somebody is cleaning the house, feel grateful for that. Somebody is just asking you ki, how are you today, just be grateful for that. Small things in your life. When we started doing the chapter, small things. As you wake up in the morning, be grateful for the water which is coming in the bathroom, be grateful for each and everything. जो जो चीजें आपकी आंखें देख पाती है ना, उनसे आपको स्टार्ट करना है. And then what happens? You actually shifting your vibrations. You are creating new vibrations in your body. Your frequency of आपकी जो तरंगे हैं बॉडी में, वो अलग होने लग जाती है. और जैसा आप होते हैं वैसा ही आप अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. चाहे वो कोई भी एरिया में हो, आपकी लाइफ की कोई भी एरिया में आप अट्रैक्ट करना शुरू कर देंगे. Yes, please continue.
Through the practice of gratitude, you are using an infallible law of the universe. It is a gift from the universe to you, and it exists to order for you to use it and above your life. The
Use
universe,
it and advance your life.
for you to use it and advance your life.
या पूरा मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है. Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah. No, it's
Uh,
fine. It's fine.
the
The
universe, can I read?
the universe and you.
The universe and you. There is a level that you can reach with gratitude that cause unlimited abundance in your life. The way that this level of gratitude is reached is through your relationship with the universe, or if you prefer, spirit of God. You can tend to think of the universe as separate from you, and when you think of it, look up above yourself and toward the sky. While the universe most certainly is above you, it is also below you and behind you and beside you, and it is within every single thing and every single person. That means the universe is within you. As below, so above, and so above, so below. With this knowledge alone, you may work miracles.
So now, what is the relationship between the universe and you? क्या है यूनिवर्स और आपके बीच में क्या संबंध है? so beautifully explained in these two paras, that there is a level that you can reach with gratitude that causes unlimited abundance in your life. You could call the universe, अगर हम universe को spirit बोल सकते हैं, God बोल सकते हैं, या we can also say that the universe is the body of the Lord. जो universe हम जिस जो हम पूरे book में हमने discuss किया है ना, we have been using this word universe. So I think this is the second time Rhonda Bryan has put universe as spirit or God. There was one more chapter which she had put, and now this is the second time in the entire book. All these days is दूसरी बार शायद सामने आ रहा है कि यूनिवर्स को आप whether it's God बोलो या spirit बोलो या आप यूनिवर्स ब्रह्मांड के रूप में लो, जो भी आप सोचो, बट जस्ट रिमेम्बर एट वन थिंग, खाली एक चीज याद रखना है कि यूनिवर्स इज inside you, above you, below you, and it's everywhere. It's within every single thing and every single person. तो अगर अगर वो सब चीज में है और हर पर्सन में है, हर वस्तु में है, तो मतलब वो हमारे अंदर ही है ना. इट्स द यूनिवर्स इज विद इन यू. हम सुने हैं ना, जैसे वी ऑल नो दैट भगवान हमारे अंदर है, ये लाइन हमने सुना है. So now if we look at the meaning of this book, the book is talking of the universe, because in the beginning only it was said that this is not a religious book. Okay, it's not a religious book. So that's why we keep on using the word universe. पर हमारी understanding जो भी है, हमारी relation जो भी है universe के साथ में, हम उसको establish कर सकते हैं, मतलब किया हुआ है, और उसको हम और बढ़ा सकते हैं. We can go deeper into it. So just remember one thing, एज बिलो सो अबव. जो नीचे है वो ऊपर है, जो ऊपर है वो नीचे है. एंड विद दिस नॉलेज अलोन, अगर हमको इतना पता है कि जब मेरे अंदर भी वही है, जो मेरे स्पाउस के अंदर भी वही है, मेरे बच्चे के अंदर भी वही है, मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स के अंदर भी वही है, एंड दैट पर्सन हु इज अ डिफिकल्ट पर्सन, उसके अंदर भी वही है, then what? Then you have to be. So if I am a part of the universe and the universe is a part of me, then everyone around me is also a part of me, right? So we all are collectively connected. मतलब हम the source एक ही है ना, हम universe के बच्चे हैं सब, right? So then we actually जो gratitude आता है ना, वो बिल्कुल दिल से आता है. Yes, this is written in the Emerald Tablet, circa 5000 to 3000 BC.
Hmm.
Yes.
When you understand that the universe is within you and by its very nature it is for you, waiting you to have more life, more health, more love, more beauty and more of everything you want, then you will feel genuine gratitude to the universe for everything you receive in your life, and you will have established a personal relationship between you and the universe. The more genuine gratitude you feel toward the universe for everything you receive, the closer your relationship becomes with the universe. And that is when you can reach the level of unlimited abundance from the magic of gratitude. You will have opened your heart and mind completely through the magic of gratitude. And with if you will touch the lives of everyone you come into contact with, you will become a friend of the universe. You will become a channel of unlimited blessings on earth. When you get up close and personal with the universe, when you feel the closeness of the universe within you, from the moment on, the world will belong to you. The world will belong to you, and there will be nothing that you cannot be, have, or do.
So when you understand that the universe is within you, जैसे ही हम समझ लेंगे कि यूनिवर्स हमारे अंदर है, हमारे ऊपर है, हमारे नीचे है, हमारे चारों तरफ है, then हमारी life magically, आप देखोगे the magic will start appearing in areas of your health and you will have more. आप हमने शायद कुछ लोगों ने हमने ये महसूस करना शुरू कर दिया है and what happens after that is हमारे we would have opened our hearts and mind completely to the magic of gratitude, and with it you will touch the lives of everyone. So now if you are overflowing, मतलब हमारे अंदर से जब gratitude overflow होना शुरू हो जाता है, तो हमारे हार्ट मतलब हमारी फीलिंग, हमारी थिंकिंग, हमारे एक्शंस कुछ डिफरेंट ही हो जाएंगे, and the way we think will also become very different. And it's not a coincidence that we all are there in this journey of the magic book since last 30 days together. Why did this, you know, मैंने ये messages कितने लोगों को भेजी थी कि I'm starting this book reading, and why did it touch only few of you, and we don't know, we haven't met each other, we don't know each other, still y'all, you know, decided to just come to this session and be a part of this session because we are the chosen ones. The universe has chosen us and we are the light workers. The universe has chosen us for a reason. And वो reason क्या है कि हम ये magic को जितना spread करेंगे, this feeling of this magical world of gratitude, इसको हम जितना spread करेंगे, उतना ही this earth will become a better place. And this earth, actually, its true heaven is the place on earth. You know, we will make this earth heaven. Heaven is not above us. Heaven is there, right there on this earth, and we have been chosen by the universe. We have been chosen, and the more and more हो सकता है कि आपको लगेगा ओके बस अब क्या, आगे क्या. Actually it's just we have started. हमने तो अभी एक first step लिया है, बाकी steps तो अभी लेने हैं. और it's just the first step that we have taken when we have traveled these 30 days. और उसमें भी कुछ लोगों ने जिन्होंने पूरे पूरे assignments नहीं किए, उन लोगों ने तो आधा step ही लिया है. For those who have done all the assignments and what the book has told us to do, we have actually taken the first step. So just, just be thankful to the universe for choosing you. Each one of us, let's be thankful for the universe for choosing us. Of all the 7.2 billion people, only why we few of us are there together. So be thankful, and then when you get up close and personal with the universe, now actually आप अपना conversation build कर सकते हो universe से. Whether it's a God, whether it's spirit, whether it's anything else, it's just energy. You know, many youngsters nowadays, I've spoken to many youngsters who feel that we don't feel there is God. Who's God? हमको सिर्फ एक energy feel होता है, and we know that the energy exists and we connect with that energy. Okay, so it's a different way of expressing, it's a different way of feeling. It's all the same, बिल्कुल सब चीज same है. Whether you call it universe, whether you call it spirit, whether you call it soul, whether you call it God, everything is same. And when you feel that closeness of the universe within you, from that moment on, the world will belong to you. And there will be nothing that you cannot be. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा जो आप नहीं हैं या जो आपके पास है या जो आप कर सकते हैं. Everything will be same. Yes, gratitude is the answer. Anybody
Gratitude,
to read? और पढ़ना चाहेगा? Okay, Hina ji, you can continue.
yes. Gratitude is the answer. Gratitude is the cure for broken or difficult relationships, for lack of health or money, and for happy unhappiness. Gratitude eliminates fear, worry, grief, and depression, and brings happiness, uh, clarity, patience,
Patience.
kindness, compassion, understanding, and peace of mind. Gratitude brings solution to problems and the opportunities and where wherewithal wherewithal to realize your dreams. Gratitude is behind every success and it opens the door to new ideas and discoveries. As the great scientists Newton and Einstein proved, imagine if every scientist followed in their footsteps, the world would be uh,
Yeah.
propelled,
Into
propelled into new territories, ter-
territories.
territories of understanding, growth, and advancement. Current limits, current limits would be broken, and life altering discoveries would be made in technology, physics, medicine, philosophy, astronomy,
Psychology.
psychology, astronomy, and every scientific field. If gratitude become a mandatory subject in schools, we would see a generation of children who would advance our civilization through spectacular accomplishments and discoveries, obliterating disagreements, ending wars, and bringing peace to the world.
So when I read this line, this gratitude becomes a mandatory subject in schools. It actually opened up in my life to a new horizon. I felt that it when when I was about what age, so whatever age we are in today, all of us, and if we are knowing about this subject of gratitude now, and now we can, since our belief systems are formed, our habits are formed, our minds are conditioned in such a way, तो हमको अभी भी उसको अपनाने में थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है. पर what would happen if the children, अगर बच्चे जो at the age of 3 years 4 years, they उनमें already होता है ये चीज, they are grateful for anything, and they are in that joyful and happy state already, but because of we adults, उनकी वो लाइफ में धीरे 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 चेंज आने लग जाती है. बट अगर हम एक सब्जेक्ट ही बना देंगे स्कूल में, that that it becomes a compulsory subject, that if you have to be grateful and why, what all we studied now ना, जो हमने अभी सीखा इन चैप्टर्स में, वो अगर बच्चों को शुरू से ही बता दिया जाए, तो हाउ वुड आर सिविलाइजेशन बी, हमारी हमारी ये धरती पूरी चेंज हो जाएगी. देयर बी डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड ऑल टुगेदर. देयर बी नो वॉर्स, देयर बी ओनली पीस, एंड more discoveries will be there. So relationship issues nahi hoenge, health issues nahi honge, everything will change. The world will be a better place if that happens. And my invitation to all of you is that you could start at your own level also. आप अपने आसपास के बच्चों को, you can just start giving them, whatever you have got, whatever we have read and we have experienced in the past 30 days. You can sit with the book and you can start giving to your kids, your grandkids or your kids or the kids of your neighbors. और आप कोई स्कूल में अगर आपका कोई हो, तो आप स्कूल में अप्रोच करके, you can start it in the schools also. So all of you can start giving now if you've really 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 benefited from this world of magic, from this magical world of gratitude. Yes.
The nations who will lead the world in the future are the ones whose leaders and people are the most grateful. The gratitude of a nation's people would cause their country to thrive and become rich, would cause illness and disease to drastically drop, business and production to escalate, and happiness and peace to sweep the nation. Poverty would disappear, and there would not be a single person in hunger, because a grateful nation could never allow it to exist. The more people who discover gratitude's magical power, the faster it will sweep the world and cause a gratitude revolution.
So the more and more people who discover gratitude's magical power, the day we understand this, so that is, that is what my dream is, that our country, India, it becomes, it changes. Each and every Indian would know this power of gratitude. And why not India and the whole world, the whole universe? So let's take a vow. Let's all of us stand and unite and, discover whatever we have discovered for ourselves. Let it spread to the entire world. The faster it will spread in the world, it will cause a gratitude revolution. Means ek kranti aa jayegi, and every nation, the day we understand this, every nation will change. This the book is saying, not I am not saying. The book is saying that, there'll be a revolution, ek kuch alag hi maja aayega then, to live life. And in the how things are changing in the world now after the this pandemic, मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि, we are actually seeing the glimpses of this world. ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है कि आज से कुछ 4-5 साल बाद the whole world is, it's moving through a different shift, it's shifting to a different space, and we all will experience this. Yes, yes, please continue. Take the
Take
magic.
the magic with you. Take gratitude with you wherever you go. Saturate the magic of gratitude into your patience, encounters, actions, and life situations to make all your dreams come true. In the future, if life presents you with a challenging situation that you think you have no control over, and you are at a loss as to what to do, instead of worry or fear, turn to the magic of gratitude and be grateful for everything else in your life. When you deliberately thank the goodness in your life, the circumstances around the challenging situation will magically change. We uh, we showed him uh, we showed him the way, whether he be grateful or ungrateful rests on his will.
So take the magic with you. Gratitude is portable. हम जहाँ जाएंगे, जहाँ हमारा शरीर होगा, जहाँ हमारा माइंड होगा, ग्रैटिट्यूड हमारे साथ साथ चलता है, कृतज्ञता हमारे साथ साथ चलती है. सो सैचुरेट द मैजिक ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड इनटू योर पैशंस. आपके जो पैशंस है, हमने ड्रीम लिस्ट बनाई थी डे 0 में, और उसमें हमने अपने कुछ पैशंस को भी इंक्लूड किया था. मे बी और मे बी नॉट, जो भी हमने उसके बाद हमने जो जो एक्शन किए, जो हमारे लाइफ की सिचुएशंस है, टू मेक ऑल आवर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू, ये सब अगर हम कैसे कर पाएंगे, अगर हम ग्रेटफुल होंगे. सो अगर फ्यूचर में भी, वी ऑल नो दैट अगर फ्यूचर में भी अगर हमारे लाइफ में कभी भी कोई ब्रेकडाउन आएगा, कोई चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन आएगा जिसपे हमारा कोई कंट्रोल, हमको लगेगा कि हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है, बट it's not actually what we are seeing. हमारा पूरा कंट्रोल है उस पे. कैसे? अगर हम खाली ग्रेटफुल रहेंगे, तो जस्ट शुक्राना देते रहेंगे, जस्ट थैंकफुलनेस देते रहेंगे. एंड so these lines are from the Quran, which says that we showed him, माने हमने मनुष्य को रास्ता दिखाया. वह कृतज्ञ बने या कृतज्ञ बने, यह उसकी इच्छा पर निर्भर करता है. मतलब द ऑपोजिट ऑफ कृतज्ञ इज कृतज्ञ. ग्रेटफुल और अनग्रेटफुल वो मनुष्य के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, हर मनुष्य के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. वह उसकी इच्छा शक्ति पर डिपेंड करता है, उसकी विल पे डिपेंड करता है, उसे कौन सा रास्ता चूज करना है. सो so we just see, these words are from the Quran. Al Insan 76.76 is to 3. So I don't know what is the meaning of this, but these words are from the Quran. And so you can continue reading.
Say the magic words. Thank you. Say them out loud. Shout them from the rooftops. Whisper them to yourself. Say them in your mind or feel them in your heart. But wherever you go from this day forward, take gratitude and its magical power with you. To have a magical life filled with abundance and happiness, the answer is in your lips, it is inside your heart, and it is ready and waiting for you to bring for the magic. Rhonda Bryan.
So yes, so now the situation, every situation हमको choose करना है. We have a choice कि whether we have to appreciate that situation or not appreciate. So we are the alchemist. हम अपने लाइफ के अल्केमिस्ट है. मतलब अल्केमिस्ट कौन है? जो अगर जिसको भी टच करे वो सोना हो जाता है. दैट उसमें एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ जाता है. सो द चॉइस इज आवर्स नाउ एंड वी ऑल हैव द टूल. टूल क्या है? द टूल ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड. वी ऑल हैव the magical tool of gratitude with us, and to have a magical life filled with abundance and happiness, the answer is on your lips. Kya hai? To be grateful, to be thankful. It is inside your heart and it is ready and waiting for you to bring forth the magic. This power of gratitude is just waiting for you every moment, because वो हमारे अंदर है, हमारे बाहर है, हमारे सामने है, हमारे ऊपर है, हमारे नीचे है, हमारे चारों तरफ है. Now it's for us कि हम उसे कैसे लेते हैं, कैसे यूज करते हैं. Yes, thank you, Rhonda Bryan, for giving this knowledge to us. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for writing this book for mankind. Yes, so we'll read a little bit about Rhonda Bryan.
About Rhonda Bryan.
So let me
Ron-
read. I'll read this. Yeah.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Hina
you.
ji. Thank you, Hina ji, for reading it. About Rhonda Bryan. Rhonda began her journey with The Secret film viewed by millions across the planet. She followed with The Secret book. उनकी जो पहली बुक थी सीक्रेट, वो हमने देखी वो मूवी. A global bestseller available in 47 languages and with over 20 million copies in print. The Secret has remained on the New York Times bestseller list for 190 weeks and was recently named by USA Today as one of the top 20 best-selling books of the past 15 years. Rhonda continued her groundbreaking work. Why are we reading this? Because we are being grateful to her. She has got this magic in her lives. इसीलिए हम उसके प्रति अपना शुक्राना कर रहे हैं. Rhonda continued her groundbreaking work with The Power in 2010, also a New York Times bestseller, and now available in 43 languages. The Secret has been passed through the ages, coveted, hidden, lost, stolen, bought for vast sums of money, and known by some of the most exceptional people who ever lived. ये हमने देखा था ना मूवी में. Plato, Galileo, Da Vinci, Beethoven, Edison, Einstein, to name but a few. The Secret book reveals how you can change every aspect of your life. You can turn any weakness or suffering into strength, power, unlimited abundance, health, and joy. Everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. There are no limits. Whatever you can dream of can be yours when you use The Secret. Read on for a preview of Rhonda Bryan's global best-selling book. So yes, thank you, Rhonda Bryan. Thank you everybody for being a part of this 30-day journey. Thank you so much. Thank you, Hinaji, for reading, and thank you all the readers and all the participants here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vanna
Thank
ji.
you so much,
Thank
Vanna
you.
ji.
And you
Thank
have any
you,
questions now?
Vandana.
Thank
Thank you
you.
Thank
so
you
much,
so much,
Vanna.
Vandana.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. So grateful to you for taking out your valuable time, so much time you took out the early mornings and you were there in the journey together. Thank you so much. So, anybody has any questions, any sharings before we?
Yes,
Yes,
हीना, हाँ हाँ।
yes,
पहले
Hina.
तो मैं ये शेयर करना चाहूँगी कि मैं करीबन 4 साल से जो मेरी मॉर्निंग प्रेयर है ना, वो सुबह उठते ही तो भगवान का वो आभार मानती हूँ कि वो उन्होंने मुझे यहाँ पे भेजा है। आई एम मेरे मेरे अपने को खुद को गॉड ऑफ एंजल ऑफ गॉड मानती हूँ और ऐसा फील करती हूँ कि मैं सबकी लाइफ में हैप्पीनेस और लव स्प्रेड करने यहाँ आई हूँ। तो फिर ये तो 4 साल से मेरी प्रे में है। फिर मैंने 2 साल से मैं और मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, हम एक प्रोफेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में साथ में है। तो प्रोफेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या जनरली जो ग्रुप होता है या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप होता है, मैं क्रिटिसाइज ही करते थे। तो हमने 2-3 दिन से वो शुरू किया है कि नहीं, हम कुछ अच्छी बात ही करेंगे इसमें। तो फिर हमने तो क्या शुरू कर दिया कि सपोज मैंने शॉपिंग की या तो मैं लिख दी मैंने आज ये शॉपिंग की। कल मैंने मेरा वार्डरोब मैनेज किया तो उसमें से मुझे मेरी पुरानी कुर्ती मिली तो मुझे वो नहीं, मैं यही कुर्ती मैं दोबारा पहनूंगी। फिर मैंने मेरे लव वन के साथ हाफ एन आवर इतना लवली स्पेंड किया। ऐसी ऐसी छोटी छोटी बात हम दोनों शेयर करने लगे व्हाट्सएप। तो रात को हम जब सब मैं जब चैट रीड करने बैठती हूँ तो इतना अच्छा फील हो रहा है कि क्या हम पहले किसी की वो क्रिटिसाइज ही करते थे कि उन्होंने ये किया उन्होंने वो किया। अब हमारी चैट पूरी इसी बात से ही भर जाती है पूरी। तो
Yeah.
वो मेरे साथ ये अच्छा हुआ। उनको भी उसको भी मैंने बोले पर उसको उनको नाइट शिफ्ट अभी चल रही है तो वो सुबह में ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाएगी। तो वो चाहेगी जरूर करेगी। और जो फोरम जिसने आपसे बात की थी वो 22 से शुरू कर रही है।
हाँ, उनका आया था मैसेज है।
हाँ, और अब मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि अभी हमने जो बात की कि जो जिसकी आपने एग्जांपल दी कि कोई हमारे लाइफ में ऐसा है, तो ऐसा कई बार क्या होता है कि कोई भी पर्सन हमारे नजदीक आता है ना तो उनका जो वाइब्रेशन होता है ना वो हमको कई बार किसी का हमको बहुत इतना खुश कर देता है और किसी का वाइब्रेशन हमको तुरंत अपने पास आते हैं ना तो तभी हम कुछ डल सा फील करने लगते हैं। तो इसको हम कैसे वो मैजिक डस्ट से उसको हम क्योर कर सके?
यस, मैजिक डस्ट इज वन। और आप अपने आप को इतना पावरफुल बना दीजिए कि अपने वाइब्रेशन को इतना पावरफुल बना दीजिए। अब आपके पास सब टूल है, यू नो हाउ टू इंक्रीज योर वाइब्रेशन। सो अपने अंदर इतनी लाइट भर दीजिए कि वो आप दूसरों के वाइब्रेशन से आपको कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा। यू मेक योर सेल्फ सो पावरफुल।
राइट।
तो आप या तो यू कैन जस्ट चांट थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू। अगर वो आप बोल रहे हो कि किसी की वाइब्रेशन आपको अफेक्ट कर रही है, मतलब कि आपको ये देखना है कि आप अपनी वाइब्रेशंस को कैसे पावरफुल कर सकते हो। इट्स अ क्यू फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स कि आप हाउ डू यू, यूनिवर्स इज टेलिंग यू नो दैट पर्सन, थ्रू दैट पर्सन यूनिवर्स इज टेलिंग यू दैट हाउ डू यू इंक्रीज योर वाइब्रेशंस। तो आप जो आप बोल रहे हो सुबह आप प्रेयर करते हो, विद दैट इज वन ऑफ द थिंग। और यू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट पर्सन। तो जैसे समझो आप वो आपके सामने वो पर्सन है या आपसे थोड़ा दूर है या आपके आसपास है या आपके आसपास नहीं है, उनका थॉट अगर आपको आया तो यू जस्ट बी ग्रेटफुल टू दैट पर्सन। दिल से उसको फील करना है और आपको अपनी पॉजिटिव वेव्स उसको भेजना है.
Okay.
Okay, and
Yeah.
and you can sprinkle magic dust. That's the first step that will really make a difference. आपने ट्राई किया है मैजिक डस्ट स्प्रिंकल करना?
हाँ कर दिया है.
हाँ, तो वो करने के बाद में डू यू फील एनी डिफरेंस?
हाँ, वही मैंने बोला ना कि मैंने उसको उसकी बात को है जो मैंने नजरअंदाज करना शुरू कर दिया है कि इट्स ओके.
पर ये चीज आपने मेंटल लेवल पे किया, ये कॉन्शियस माइंड में किया है कि
हाँ.
मतलब वो एक आप शायद हो सकता है, यू हैव टू चेक फॉर योरसेल्फ, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि शायद आप उसको सप्रेस कर रहे हो और वो एक दिन निकलेगा. इफ दैट इज हैपनिंग देन डोंट डू दैट.
ओके.
हाँ, so then you have to work on your relationship area.
हाँ, वो भी
आप
शुरू कर दिया है मैंने.
हाँ, तो अभी जैसे कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड प्रैक्टिस बताया ना कि रिलेशनशिप में आप 21 डेज तक आपको करना है. So
हाँ.
take one chapter, second chapter, third chapter, fourth chapter, 6 chapters. Then again start from first chapter, second chapter, till the time you feel कि बिल्कुल neutral हो गया है. Your feelings towards that person has become neutral, and the most amazing part will be that person will come and tell you. वो आपसे आके बात करेंगे. Don't expect कि वो हमको sorry बोलेगा या नहीं. Don't expect anything like that.
Yes.
That person will come and talk to you as your other people around you are coming and talking to you. That will be the transformation.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
And वो transformation कोई और नहीं ला सकता है, वो आप ही ला सकते हो.
हाँ, अपने आप ही लाना पड़ेगा.
Exactly. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yes. Who else? So who all have decided to come and be a part from the 22nd?
Yes, I am. Hina.
Yeah, lovely, lovely. And that's how it should be. एक बार अगर बुक पढ़ के या सुन के अगर हम छोड़ देंगे तो हम अभी तक एज द बुक सेड ना कि हमने अभी तक सिर्फ ऊपर की लेवल को ही हमने फील किया है. नाउ वी हैव टू गो डीपर इनटू इट. सो मोर एंड
Yes,
मोर
I
आप
I am also want to join.
Okay, lovely, lovely. So I would invite all
क्योंकि
of
हम
you.
जब एनुअल हाँ जब हम
Yeah.
पढ़ते थे, जब एनुअल एग्जाम हमारी आती है तो कई बार हम ये पढ़ते ही रहते थे. एक बार कोई चैप्टर पढ़ के हमने छोड़ दिया था तो एनुअल एग्जाम हम नहीं करता है. तो हमको अब तो अभी इसमें डिस्टिंक्शन लाना है तो फिर बार बार पढ़नी ही पड़ेगी. सो
Lovely.
कंटिन्यू.
Lovely. And I'm sure you will get a distinction. We all will get. We all will get. And we'll pass 100% marks मिलेंगे हमको.
थैंक यू.
Who else? Anybody else wants to share anything or wants to ask anything? Yes, no? Okay. So then we are there to say goodbye and thank you for being a part of this wonderful journey of 30 days. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Vandana.
Thank you.